reaction to the oxygen around. Same thing as water, exactly the same with any kind of fluid dynamic with gases. It's got nowhere to go, it starts to push down on this here. Get more pyrolysis at a higher level. We're starting to see the start of that convection cycle as it's coming around. Yeah, close the bag. Yeah, close the bag. Start seeing the air pulling in with our throat. That air's leading us directly to where that single fire is. Look at the flames at the bottom, not brighter than the flames at the top. We see that push? Little pull, little push. Big pull, big push. As that flame increases, start burning away some of that overpressure again. Now getting pyrolysis on the floor to the left. Try to get pyrolysis at low levels on the floor. Everyone okay?